Today we're going to be doing some acro, and it's a special day because it is Valentine's Day, and it's really good. So I really like Valentine's Day, but on Easter it's going to be my favourite day because I'm going to get Robux. Right, so I'm going to show you some acro. So, if loads of people do this, right, I watched it on a video. What is it called? It's called a candlestick. Your toes are the candle and your legs are the stick. Let's go on to the other one. So I don't know what actually this one's called, but comment down below if you know what it's called. And please don't look at my book. So that is what it's like. Oh my god, that's so deep. 3 hours later. I did it. Right. So guys, a headstand or handstand, I don't know. So oh my god, a headstand. So this is a headstand. And gonna do a hand. Oh, one headstand. That was a headstand. I'm gonna do a handstand. So we do so how you do a handstand. Right now. You do a headstand and pull your head up until you do it. Right. So guys, I hope I can do this. Okay. I hope you do. I hope you see the next episode. And if you do, and if you like it, smash that like button and we'll see you up later. We'll see you all next time. So, subscribe. Bye.